So here we are 18 months down the track from when we did our original burn underneath this grey box, and I'm really pleased with the results. There's a little bit of weediness, but mostly it's pretty clear. We have got boom time of sticky everlastings. They have gone absolutely ballistic. That's this little guy.
What we have here is quite a boom since our burn of different species that have germinated, but particularly our hard seed coated plants have loved that stimulation with the burn. So we've got quite a few different acacia species. I've got Acacia flexifolia here, Acacia pycnantha, the golden wattle. I've got Pultonea laxiflora. Some of these plants we would have had originally planted close by, but some of them actually weren't here originally with our plantings. They would have been original plants from when this was still pre-grazing country. So that's pretty impressive to find that we're still finding that seed germinating in the soil. And you'll see behind me we have Sticky Everlasting Central. It has gone ballistic. Now that's partly probably due to a really good season, but I think the work that we've been doing at keeping the weeds down, we have almost a uniform germination of Sticky Everlasting right through where we've been burning, and it just keeps spreading across the grounds as well. So I'm pretty impressed with that. And the salt bushes have done really nicely. So I've just got in the foreground here Annata nutans, but the Annata hastata or salute, which is this little one, that's taken off really nicely as well across this area. So there's some real little winners that have just been spreading and doing their thing, and it has just been through that general maintenance and just tweaking with how we do our management work that's really been stimulating a lot of this growth.